In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by accessing any app in the background, like that, and holding it until you see all of those options. When you do, click on this icon between two rectangles and a gear. Then choose Next in the pop-up and start in a second one. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. Now to minimize it, click on Home button and swipe it to the side to turn it into a bubble. To access your window again, click on the bubble and then Tiny Window. If you wanna close your app, you can always do that by clicking on those three dots at the top and selecting this button with an X. Or you can use it in full screen view by holding this line at the bottom and dragging it all the way down. You can do exactly the same using this shortcut, accessible after clicking on three dots, the left one. Now, last but not least, something most people miss. If you click on those three dots, you can also switch from pop-up view to split screen. Just click on one of those split screen icons, tap on the second app you wanna use in split screen view, and enjoy operating in both at once. To go back to pop-up view, you need to use those three dots at the top of your app, and this time click on this icon of pop-up window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!